Hello, and welcome to our tutorial series on easy billing. Today, we're going to show you how to easily rename documents to better fit your business needs. For example, you might prefer the term preliminary invoice instead of Proforma Invoice. Easy Billing gives you two ways to make this change. First, we'll cover how to change the name on the actual output document, like your PDFs and printed copies. Second, we'll show you how to change the document name within the Easy Billing user interface itself. Let's get started. Let's begin by changing the label that your customer sees. From the main menu, navigate to Customize Document and select Document Label. Select the document you wish to modify. Let's choose Proforma Invoice as an example. A new window will open. On the left, you'll see a list of all the labels used in the document you selected. Let's find the main title label, which is Proforma Invoice. In the Rename to column next to it, simply type in your new name. For our example, we'll use Preliminary Invoice. As you type, you can see the preview on the right update instantly to show you exactly how it will look. Once you're happy with the change, click the Save button at the bottom. Now, let's open a Proforma Invoice document and preview it. We can see that in the PDF, the document title is now Preliminary Invoice. And that's it. The new name will now be used on all future outputs for that document type. Next, let's change how the document name appears inside the software. This can help you organize and find documents more easily. From the main menu, go to Customize Document again, but this time, choose Preferences. In the Preferences window, make sure you're on the Document Name tab. You'll see a list of all the document types. Find the one you want to rename. In our case, Proforma Invoice, and type your new name into the text field beside it. We'll enter Preliminary Invoice. After you've made your changes, click the Save button. Now, and this is a very important final step, you must restart the Easy Billing software. The changes to the user interface will only take effect after the program has been closed and reopened. Easy Billing is restarted, and we can see that the menu, the document list on the user interface now show Preliminary Invoice instead of Proforma Invoice. Here's the document name on the new document menu is also renamed to Preliminary Invoice. The changes apply to all the wording used in the user interface, ensuring consistency and aligning with your business needs. So, to quickly recap, document label changes the name on the printed or PDF document, while document name in Preferences changes the name within the software interface. We hope this tutorial was helpful for you to customize Easy Billing the way you want. Thanks for watching.